So I'm Katelyn Denny, and I am a merchandiser as well as bill of material manager at Stars Design Group. My first job was actually a sales associate at a store called Tilly's, which is kind of like a skater type store similar to PacSun. I actually wanted to be a ballerina for an extremely long amount of time, probably too long. And then once I got into high school, I kind of became very interested in fashion and kind of switched pathways in my head and wanted to really be a buyer and travel around the world and influence fashion in some type of way. So most people describe me as outgoing. First of all, I think I'm also very collaborative and relatable to a lot of people and just very inclusive and loving. So when I was in high school, my high school had a lot of career path opportunity classes, and I knew I was very interested in fashion and like a job that could take me around and I could experience a lot of cultures. And I started taking some fashion classes and got very, very interested in it. And that's kind of how it took me. Solving problems. I love finding new solutions and learning new things and growing. And I think especially in this career, in this industry, there's something new every single day. Being in St. Louis and trying to break into the fashion industry, you kind of hear about stars from a lot of people. And so I actually ended up moving here, and right at the same time, Stars had a position open on LinkedIn, and I knew about them and applied, and that's kind of where it went. The team. I would say everybody here, I've learned so much from each and every person that works here. Everyone is so talented, so intelligent, and I can honestly say that I love every person that works here. We're all just like a family. I would say I'm pretty organized and manage time pretty well. I'm pretty good at pushing people to meet deadlines as well as myself. I'm also very quick to learn new things and help people whenever I can. I think that it is a company that I always dreamed about working at when I was getting my degree in fashion. It's something that a lot of people aspire to be around intelligent and great people by also doing things that you're passionate about.